This next recipe is really unique and only found in very few Greek islands. It's a kind of pumpkin skillet pie and one of my own personal favorites. Kyriafilio cuts winter squash into finger-sized pieces. Next, those favored red onions are sliced right on top. She adds a little flour, which will hold everything together, and tosses the mixture so that everything is evenly distributed. She fills the frying pan in batches. It'll take about 8 to 10 minutes for the bottom to form a crust and for the vegetables to be about 2/3 of the way cooked. At that point, she deftly pours off the excess very hot olive oil and flips the frying pan over to turn the pie onto the other side on the lid. Can't have too much of that olive oil. She then slides it back into the frying pan to cook for about 5 to 7 minutes on the other side. When the yellow squash skillet pie is done, she slides it onto a serving plate, ready to dig in. The moment we've been waiting for has finally arrived.